Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a cleansing process. Today we are going to clean a nasal passage. Cleaning a nasal passage removes any dirt, mucus, bacteria or toxins from the nasal passage. Thereby clean air enters to our lungs. That avoids or that minimizes any chance of having any lung disorder or lung disease such as asthma, or in fact coronavirus or COVID-19 is also one of them that can be avoided by practicing this regularly, and the cleansing process name is Jal Neti. Let's see how to perform this. Jal Neti is a process where saline water is poured into one of your nostril and flushed out from another nostril. This is how Jal Neti is performed. It has numerous benefits. It helps in relieving sinusitis, ailments of eyes, nose, throat, tonsillitis, also with the inflammation of adenoids and mucous membrane. So please watch the video till the end to see how to practice this, and please like this video or write a comment if you feel that the content of the video is useful.
Let's start with preparing the saline solution for Jal Neti. We need clean water for Jal Neti. So I use my drinking water for that purpose. And drinking water at my home is the regular bottled water stored in a copper pot. Because copper does not allow the growth of bacteria and kills the bacteria that are present in the water when it is stored in a copper pot. And this is my neti pot. For the same reason, I use a neti pot that is made with copper. There is a spout and it has a small opening. It really makes it easy to control the flow of water into your nostrils. Let's make the saline solution. Take this water out in a clean pot and heat it. As per Ayurveda, you should use the boiled water to make the saline solution so that any germ or bacteria will be killed while boiling the water. But I do not boil my water, I just heat it because my water was already clean and it was stored in a copper container. So there is no possibility of any germ or any bacterial growth in my water. Now I'm going to add table salt or regular sea salt into my water, but if you have pure Himalayan salt, that is even better. Now an important question is how much salt should be added, and the answer is mix just enough salt so that it tastes like your tears or your sweat. You might have not tasted your sweat, but for sure, while crying, sometimes tears flows into our mouth. So we all have tasted our tears. So mix little salt at a time and taste it. And when it feels salted enough like tears, then stop. The water should not be salted more than your tears, otherwise it will cause itching, irritation or even headache. And water salted less than your tears will not clean your nasal passage well. My water looks hot and I am taking it off the heat, but I strongly recommend that you boil your water, then let it cool down. Let's come to the temperature of water. You cannot pour hot water into your nostrils. That will burn the delicate skin of your nasal passage. Also, we should not fill hot water into a copper pot, otherwise the water may absorb excess of copper that may result negatively. And you cannot even pour cold water into the nostrils. that might result into mucus formation, cough or cold. The temperature of water should be just above your body temperature, just as your tears or sweat. Just imagine how sweat or tears feel slightly warm on your skin. This saline solution should feel similar to that. Tears or sweat are the part of our natural body cleansing process. That's why we are trying to make a saline solution similar to that. Allow your water to cool down and keep checking it on the back of your hand. When it feels slightly warm, like your tears, then pour it into your neti pot. Also, you want your neti pot just half filled or even less to easily control the flow of water. Now, a saline solution is ready. Let's do gel neti. You can be seated or in standing position. Any position is fine. Just be comfortable. And when we are pouring water into the nostrils, we should be breathing in and out from our mouth. And your gel neti is done. You might get tears in your eyes, but that's okay. At this time, Ayurveda says to exhale forcefully, just like Kapalbhati exhale, to release any water droplet trapped into the nostrils. But personally, I find it easy to just massage my nose and then wipe it gently. That really helps to release the trapped water and also relax my nose muscles. Just wipe your nose gently and your nose muscles will relax within next 5 minutes on their own. As you inhale, your nostrils will feel fresh, clean and more open. Jalneti looks difficult, but it's quite simple yet effective. Trust me, you can try this on your own.